Did you know that mobile affiliate marketing is revolutionizing the digital landscape? With growth projections skyrocketing for 2024, let's dive into how this trend is reshaping marketing. Mobile affiliate marketing isn't just a buzzword, it's a vital part of today's digital marketing ecosystem. As more consumers shift to mobile, the strategies marketers use are also transforming. However, it's not without challenges. Marketers face hurdles like sophisticated ad blockers and rapidly changing consumer behaviors that demand constant innovation. So, how do marketers keep up? Through key strategies like forming influencer partnerships and utilizing data-driven insights. These tactics not only navigate but also capitalize on the evolving mobile landscape. And here's the game changer for 2024: immersive ad formats and personalized targeting. These developments offer unprecedented engagement opportunities, making them the next big thing in mobile marketing. To sum up, mobile affiliate marketing in 2024 holds immense potential, but requires marketers to stay adaptable and innovative. It's about understanding the tools and trends that will define the future of digital marketing. Curious to learn more about the cutting-edge trends in affiliate marketing? Subscribe to stay updated with our series on marketing innovations, or share your experiences and insights below. Let's navigate this dynamic field together. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates.